All right, today I have a Chevy Tahoe key fob, and I'm going to show you how to remove the physical key from out of this Chevy Tahoe key fob. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I have the Chevy Tahoe key fob in my hand. Now, in order to remove the key, you're gonna have to do something special with this. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the key fob to the side, and do you see this right here? Do you see this button? I have to press this button. So I just take my finger and press that button. At the same time, pull out the key. All right, so I'm gonna take this, and you see that? The key is out right here. So this is the physical key. You can use this to open the doors if, say for instance, if your key fob is not working, right? Your remote key fob is not working. And when you're done, you're just gonna take the key fob and you're just gonna go ahead and slide it back into the slot as such until it snaps into place, just like this. Boom. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.